Try to shoo it out.
Go! Go! Hey!
Ah! Mark, don't.
Boo! It's stupid. Throw stuff at it.
No, Zach.
Just shut the door. Where'd it go?
No, it'll
It's up
get
there. I
crushed.
just saw it.
Shut the garage door.
No.
Do it again.
No.
Oh, there it is. Hey! Hey! Oh!
Ah. Ah.
Where's it? Where's it? Oh my god! It's retarded. Get out of here! Give me a broom. I'll beat it.
No, don't hurt it.
I won't hurt it.
Oh, it's back. It's back on.
It's probably gonna crap all over our cars and stuff.
Sorry, Keith. Everybody wants it.
Now, come out here if you want to see it. Shut the door.
Hey! Where'd it go?
Don't let the dog out here. She's freaking out.
Where'd he go?
Come back out!
Press the garage button real quick.
We need to turn the light off, Zach. And
Why?
Get it out with your light.
What? Get it out.
Get it
Because it sees the light and it can't see the darkness to get out. Don't do that. You're keeping it back in there, Zach.
Keisha, Jesus.
Press it really quick.
Yeah, but I can't see anything now.
Ah!
Okay.
Shut up, Keisha! Alright, whatever.
Hopefully it won't be there in the morning.
We can't leave this open though, because of the bunny.
Yeah, Bunny will
Oh,
freeze.
did it move? Tell her to shut up. Wait, I hear it moving.
Whoa. I was like, don't be able to see that I accidentally caught the corner of the recycling bin thing.
Where is it?
I don't know. Can't even see anything.
Dad, shut the garage door.
No.
It won't crush it. Shut it.
Dad, shut it.
What?
It's not gonna crush it. It's gonna fly out. Come on. Close it.
Where's it at?
I don't know. Just do it again. Do you see it?
Get up on the wheel of the van.
Hold on, hold this.
Why are you videoing the things?
Because it's funny.
Yeah, we can post it on YouTube.
Step on the wheel.
I have my socks on.
I can get on.
Hold on.
I can get on it.
You see it, Bap, up there? Here, can I just stand on the hood?
There, can you see it, Mark?
No. I can't see it.
Shut up! Shut up! Be quiet.
Probably crushed.
It's not crushed.
It would fly out, Dad, if I was trying to.
Oh, maybe it came out through here.
It probably did.